Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import or add phone into your CapCut PC. So all you have to do right now is open daphone.com and try to search your a favorite phone in here, or you can try the recently added phones. For example, let's try this one, Desi by Ronnie Studio. You can download it. Click download and then wait for file downloaded, and remember the download location by open the folder. So the file is downloaded, you can open the folder location. So this one, a Desi, sorry, let's move it for easier. So you can extract the file, open the folder or the compressed file. Here you can double click to install this Desi font. Installing. So wait for the process. So you can open CapCut now after installed your new font. Open your project and let's try our new font here by click text here. Let's add some text. Click again, add to track. Here you can write anything like a metal, for example. Let's take it bold. The color, of course, the black one. The font size here, and let's change the font by click on this system. You can search Desi here, the Desi font that recently installed from daphone.com. So please feel to try install your favorite phone from daphone.com and try to use it in CapCut PC version. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.